This is your typical hose bib backflow preventer, also called a vacuum breaker. These are designed to keep water from going back into the supply into your house and keeping things from the outside, like contaminated water, going back into your good water supply. So it is a backflow preventer. So if there is a case where there's a back siphonage or some sort of backflow, then this is going to protect your water supply on the hose bib on the outside of your house. This has got a little set screw, and it does have a gasket in there. And I tell you, they're easy to install. Just screw it straight on. I'm going to get it pretty tight, but it's always a good idea to have a backflow protection on the outside hose bibs of your house. And a simple backflow preventer like this vacuum breaker, this is going to work well from keeping contaminated water back into our potable water supply.